Welcome CRM crew, my name is Nick and in today's quick tutorial I'm going to be explaining how to use the form view in Monday.com. So once you log into Monday.com, of course you will come to the home screen. Now if you'd like to use the form view, what you need to do is go to Workspaces on the left hand side here, select Workspaces and then go to the board that you would like to create a form for. Now, in case you're not familiar with the form, essentially it's something that you can send to customers to capture data. It's actually a really useful tool. So as I said, go to the board that you'd like to create a form for, and then what we want to do is go to Add View at the top here. So select Add View, and then as you can see in the Other View section, we have the Form View. Now all you need to do is go ahead and select Form. And as you can see here, we've now added the form. We can give it a name if we wish, but I'm just going to leave it as form. And this is where you can go ahead and start changing and editing your form. So as you can see, you can select business required if you so wish. And again, you can use this eye to hide it so the name is hidden on this form, or you can show it if you so wish. And then what you can do, of course, is change the colors, unlock customizations, but that is only available if you have the paid version of Monday.com. So unfortunately, I do not, so I won't be demonstrating this. And then from there, all you can go ahead and start doing is sharing your form. So if you press the share button, you can go ahead and either embed this form into your website or get a shareable link, as you can see here. And then from there, you can send this to customers or in emails, etc. And you can get people to sign up to your form, which inevitably is then going to add their data that they've entered on the form. As you can see, if we press the preview button, enter their data into the form, and then that will go back into the board and enter the information accordingly. So that's how we can start developing and building out the data inside of our Monday.com system. So like I said, you've got now the form at the top here, and we can go ahead over there and we can drag and drop. We can move different parts around if we so wish as well. And that is how to use the form view in Monday.com. I hope this video has clearly explained how to use the form view in Monday.com. If you do have any further questions, please drop me an email. My details are in the description below. Otherwise, thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you shortly in the next video. Thank you and goodbye.